A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fan. F for fan. F for fan. G for goat. G for goat. G for goat. H for house. H for house. H for house. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. J for jug. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. L for lion. M for money. M for money. M for money. N for nine. N for nine. N for nine. So kids, next alphabetic words we will learn in the next video. So do subscribe this channel and like the video.